Hello to the Financial Skills chapter within the DigiENTaid project. The main themes we have proposed to address in this chapter are the following: understanding the financial statements, budgeting the activity and break-even point, the critical point of sales, and tips and tricks for a successful financial management. Why is it important to understand financial statements? Because they give us information about the company's heritage in case of the balance sheet. They help us to analyze the profitability of the company and the opportunity of certain expenses in case of the income statements, and to forecast the budget. And they also show us how cash has been generated and how we can forecast future cash flow in case of cash flow statement. The profitability tree allows us to understand how invested capital generates profit. When budgeting the activity, we have to take into account exceeding the break-even point, the critical point of sales. That means that the company have to generate enough income to cover all the expenses related to the running of the business. The break-even point is an important tool for financial planning of the business. It allows us to assess the opportunity of an investment, to determine the minimum selling price that we can charge in order not to record losses, respectively the maximum variable expenses that we can afford in order not to record losses. In addition to the ones mentioned so far, it is good to keep in mind some tips and tricks for a successful financial management. Try to build up reserves from your profit for company development or for cope more easily with crises. Try to negotiate a debt payment period longer than the average collection period of your customers. Use the funds available for long term for investment and development, and the funds available for short term for current expenditure. Plan weekly or at least monthly your financing needs in writing. Constantly monitor your cash flow. Eliminate unnecessary costs. Don't invest in assets that don't generate future benefits. Maintain a close relation with your accountant. Digitize your business documents. Optimize the costs related to the loans. And don't mix personal money with business accounts. Thank you very much for